Watch me give myself a salon quality manicure for under $20. I'm starting off with this olive green by Beetles, and I applied a base coat off camera. I always use my pinky for stability. And a key tip when applying gel is to keep the layers thin. That helps the polish cure evenly and prevents peeling. Also, don't forget to cap the free edge. And remember not to get any on your skin, but if you do, just go ahead and remove it quickly. I started painting my nails since I was a kid. I've always loved nail polish, and it's definitely a money saver with as many nail looks as I do. And just look at the first coat and the comparison to the second coat. After curing, I applied the final top coat by Beetles, and I removed half the product from the nail brush to prevent flooding. And here's the final result. I love this color. I could wear it all season. What nail look should I try next? Drop your ideas below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.